Majority of our customers are 18 to 29 years old. Depending on which survey you look at, millennials have less than $1,000 in their savings accounts. If you get hit with fraud, that's money that's coming directly out of your checking account. So even if your bank reimburses you after a week or two, for a lot of folks that means that they can't make rent, they're getting hit with overdraft fees during that time period. There's very little cushion and they feel the impact of that fraud a lot more.
So instead of this 16-digit number, it's a brand new one, brand new CVV, brand new expiration date, so that they don't really have my real card, which has all my money attached to it. The classic example that I use a burner card for is when I'm flying and I need to pay for the Wi-Fi. In the past, I would just put in my regular card and then I would find out 6 months later that they charged me like $250. Now when I fly, I use a burner card with a spend limit. After they try to charge me, it just gets blocked. I could basically show you guys that number now and anyone can take it and won't work because it closed after this first transaction.
So you don't have to worry about having this ongoing relationship with the merchant if you only want to use it once. We see this as part of a broader toolkit that allow you to basically take back some of your privacy.